Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's the SBE linear amplifier I've been working on, and I did finally replace all the capacitors here with some nice nifty new ones at 200 microfarads, 450 volts. There were some 250s in here, so that's an improvement. So these capacitors are all in series, and they're in series because you want to really have, well, back in the day they had 250s here. So you put these in series, you would have 250, 500, 750, 1000 volts. So with these, I have almost 2000 volts because in the series, the voltage adds up of what these can withstand. They have the balancing capacitor or balancing resistors in here to balance these out so that one is not really working harder than the others, because I can make the voltage on one of these go up higher than the rated capacity and blow it up. So that's why you have these equalizing resistors on here. I could probably get away with putting in higher ones. What's this thing? Let's see, 47000, 47K resistor. Yeah, so that's the story. Now, the other thing is, since these are in series, 200, 200, 200, 200, divided by 4, that gets you down to, what is it, 50. So 50, 100, yeah. So really, this whole thing is a 50 microfarad capacitor at around 2000 volts. Well, technically 1900 volts. So yeah, 50 microfarads at about 1900 volts is what you end up with here for the plate supply. So time to put it back together and see if it smokes or works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.